Very good morning, children. How do you do? Fine? Good. So be safe and healthy at home. Okay? Yeah. So here comes our literature part. So, chapter 4. Okay? Street games of India. So, India's street games. No? Street. What is the meaning of street? Yeah. Those street games of India. In street, what games do we play? Any idea? So, what games do you play in the street? Where, ma'am, we are playing in the street. We are simply sitting in the home and playing in the laptops and mobile, right? Yeah, nowadays most of the children are not playing in the street. Just they are playing in the mobile and laptop. Not in this COVID time. मैं कोविड टाइम के बारे में नहीं बात कर रही हूँ. बिफोर दैट कोविड टाइम ऑल्सो you were not playing in the street, right? So it is good to play outside in the street. Okay, so avoid mobile phones and laptops playing. मैंने पढ़ने के लिए नहीं बोला, ये वीडियोस वॉच करने के लिए नहीं बोला. मतलब what you have to avoid? Playing. वीडियोस वॉच करना है. दिस वीडियोस ऑफ लेजेंड्स, स्कूल वीडियो सबको वॉच करना है, लेकिन खेलने के लिए मैंने मना किया. ठीक है? For playing, don't use mobiles and laptops. Okay? Yeah, so let's go for the lesson. Here comes the author introduction first. So who is the author? Mulk Raj Anand. Okay, Mulk Raj Anand. He was born on 1905 and he was passed on 2004. Passed on matlab passed out matlab dead. Okay, was an Indian writer. He wrote essays, short stories and the first Indian English novel. His writing is notable for the use of many Punjabi and Hindi words. Okay, he sought to highlight the problems faced by the poor through his work and the need of social reform in India. So what it is said? He is an Indian writer. Got it? Indian writer. And he wrote many essays and short stories and the first Indian English novel. Okay, so he wrote the first novel also. Indian English novel he wrote first. He was the man to write the first. Okay, so his writing is notable. Notable matlab it says, it states. Okay, two also it is correct. Says also we can say, states also we can say. For the use of many Punjabi and Hindi words. So he uses many Punjabi and Hindi words in his short stories, essays, novels. Okay, he sought to highlight the problems. Okay, so he had sought matlab no seek of past tense. Seek matlab search. So search of past tense. So he had found, we can say found also. He had found, he searched to highlight the problems. Highlight, no, we are saying highlighted words. So to bring forward. Okay, to bring forward. Kya bring forward? Problems of poor people. Okay, what are the poor people are facing problems in their life that he found and he has written in his essays and short stories, novels. Okay, and he have changed the need for social reform in India. So in his work it is said, it is noted for the social reform. Social matlab social subject नहीं है. Social matlab society. Okay, society का changes. So what are the changes needed in society? Those in India society. Okay, those also, that things also he have written in his novels, short stories, essays. Got it? So this is the author introduction. Then let's go for the new words and its meanings. Okay, yeah, memories. The first word is memories, things you remember from the past. So past, what happened, any important things or important matters, events. So whatever it is, you are recollecting, no, you are keeping in memory. That is called memories, remembering. ठीक है. Even ground मतलब flat or level ground. So in the road, when you go on road in bike or car, you can see ups and downs will be there in road. So not like that, it is here flat ground, level ground. Okay. And the next is goli mari. Yes, so this goli mari is a Hindi word. See, is a expression. I have struck the marble. I have struck the marble matlab I have beat the marble. I have touched the marble. Deft, here deft मतलब quick and skillful. Quick आपको मालूम है जल्दी, तो quick. Skillful मतलब knowledgeable. So in studies मतलब having skill, knowledge in that studies. Games मतलब having the knowledge, skill in games. Okay. Next, charpoi. This charpoi, it is a bed. Okay, it is a type of bed. See, a bed with a frame tied with rope. Nowadays we are having the wooden cot, wooden bed or steel bed. No, it is not like that. Olden days, so they had a frame tied with rope. Bed, it is with a frame. Four sides also frame will be there and it tied with a rope. So that bed is called as charpoi. Got it? Yeah, then next, jerk, jerk. Okay, so jerk, which means short, sudden movement, sudden, quick movement. Okay, quick movement. Next, clumsily. Okay, clumsily, which means in a careless manner. Clumsily, what it is pronounced clumsily. तो clumsily मतलब careless manner. So even see, while studying, while preparing for exam, you won't be careful, in full interest you won't study, just for namesake. In a careless manner you will study, that is called as clumsily. Okay. Battle tactics. What is this? Battle tactics. So battle tactics, which means planned movement in a fight that help the fighter win. Yeah, so planned movement. Already you will plan, no? So if he comes this side, we want to move that side, we have to do this, we have to do that, like that. Already planned things. Okay, planned movement. That is called battle tactics. Warfare. What is the next? Warfare, which means the act of fighting in a war. Okay, warfare means act of fighting in a war or in a battle. Both the same, war or battle. Okay. And the next new word is opposing. Very easy. Opposing, which means playing against another. So see, when you play chess, opposite team will be there. No, two players should play opposing. Opposite one member will be there and you will be there. So opposing, against. See, playing against another, opposing. Okay. Daring, which means courage or bravery. Courage or bravery, that you should have that strength, that bravery. Yes, I can do it, I can play it. Okay, that thing is called courage. Next, prisoner of war. Okay, prisoner of war, which means a prisoner of war is a soldier who's caught by the enemy during a war. The author means that the soldier was caught by the opposing kabaddi team, the enemy. TK. Here they are saying about the kabaddi team. So while playing kabaddi, two teams will be there. In one team, 10 or more students, children will be there. In next team, same 10 or more children. So we have to play the kabaddi. So when you go to the next team, they will catch you now. So that is called caught by the opposing kabaddi team. Prisoner. So you became out. You became the prisoner. Okay, clear? So here ends our new words and lesson starts. So let us move for the lesson. It is very interesting. because about the games, it is said about games, not any stories or any vague lesson. It is not. Okay, very interesting. Let's start. Excited talking and laughter, shouts of joy and despair. These are the sounds of the street games of India. In this text, Arthur Mulkraj Anand recounts the games that he played as a young boy. Okay, so what it is said, excited matlab eager, enthusiastic. मैंने बोला था ना, whatever words you don't understand in English, you have to refer the dictionary and underline the word, and you have to write the meaning in English. हिंदी में नहीं लिखना है, इंग्लिश में लिखना है. ठीक. Yeah, so write that word in English. So excited, you can't understand the meaning matlab, you have to refer the dictionary and what is the meaning of excited, that underline this word and write here itself. Okay. Yeah, so excited talking, excited means eager, eagerly talking or enthusiastic talks. And laughter, you know, no, laughing, talking and laughing interestly also. Excited matlab interestly also. So interestly are talking and laughing. Shouts of joy and despair. Joy, you know, happiness. Despair matlab here with a loss of hope. Okay, absence of hope. Hope, you know, no, hope, that belief. So loss of that hope, complete loss, absence of hope. Okay, both is also there, joy also, and here loss also, loss of hope also. So these are the sounds of the street games of India. So these children, no, they will make such sounds in streets and they will play. So here he recalls, the author Mulkraj Anand, he recalls the games that he played in when he was young. Okay, when he was young, so that time what all games he has played, that he have recalled in this lesson. So games you like the most, so let us see what are the games he have recalled here. My interest my interest in playing street games began early. One of my earliest memories is playing the game of Goli. The game is played with marbles which we collected by breaking the necks of old soda water bottles. Sometimes we bought colorful marbles. So yeah, what is that? So playing street games, he is interested in playing street games, and it began in earlier itself. So when he was 7 years old, or 7 years old, 6 years old, that time itself, when he was young, very young, that time itself, he had that interest and he started to play. So in his memories, मैंने बोला ना, in new words memories मतलब remembering things. So when he remember now, he has played the game of Goli. Okay, small golies, you know, no, see a picture will come, I'll show you the picture. So marbles. So he have played the Goli, game of Goli. Or else with marbles also we can play. So one have to collect that Goli. Soda bottle is there, no? So by breaking the soda bottles neck also we can get that Goli. Or else colorful marbles also we can get. We can buy. See, this is called as marbles or Golies. Okay. Yeah. So he started to play that. So let us see how he have played. To play the game, each player has to have a goalie or marble. A little hole is dug into even ground with the heel of the foot. Each player then kneels on the ground 6 feet away from the hole. Then with their fingers they strike their goalie, trying to get them into the hole. They also try to strike the other players, goalies, out of the way of their own goalie, or they use their goalie to push the other's goalie into the hole. Okay. So what it is said? So to play a holy, everyone should have a goalie. Okay. If we 10 are playing goalie, matlab 10 should also have goalie with them. We can have goalie or marbles also. Okay, any one thing, goalie or else marbles. So to play this, no, a small, see, I'll show you this picture and I will explain you. So to play this, one small this ground, can you see this hole? Yeah, we have to dug matlab like this, no, like this, want to make a hole in the ground by heel matlab, see this part is there, no, foot backside part, by making, by using this foot heel we can dug this hole. Then like this you have to arrange the goalie and kneel down, see, kneel they have said, no, like this you have to kneel down in the ground and using your finger you can play like this. Okay, see the finger how he has kept, and where he has kept the goalie, how he is playing, see, he's pointing this goalie to make to fall this in this hole. Okay, so this is the way to play holy goalie, sorry, not holy, goalie. Got it? Yeah, that is said here. So they can even concentrate in their goalie to drop in that hole, or else they can push the others goalies also to fall in that hole. That is said in this paragraph. Very easy. First, once if you read matlab, you can understand what, how they are playing and what they have said. Okay, and the next is C. Shouts of "Ha Goli Mari" can be heard when one succeeds in striking another goalie out of the way. The player who gets all the goalie into the hole first is the winner. Okay, so what it is said, see, while playing like this, no, they will shout "Ha Goli Mari." Yes, you have strike. You have striked the goalie. So your goalie is dropped in the hole. So like this they will shout and they will play. So when all the goalies are made into this hole, they are the who does this first, they are the winner. Okay, they have to drop these goalies into this hole. Got it? Father did not like us to waste time playing goalie, but I tried my luck at the game anyway. Excuse me, anyway. However, I did not have deft fingers needed to be really good at the game, and often lost my goalies to the old players. Okay, what it is said. So his father didn't like him to play the goalie, wasting time. Anyhow, his father didn't like. पापा को पसंद नहीं था, लेकिन even though he tried his luck, उन्होंने he tried to play. Okay, he tried to check his luck. So लेकिन for playing this goalie, no, finger should be enough strong. ठीक है, he should be quick and skillful. मैंने बोला था ना deft. So deft मतलब go for the new words and see. इसीलिए मैंने बोला था कि new words आपको memorize करना है. You have to remember new words so that in lessons, when we go for the lessons, it will be easy to understand. तो डेफ्ट मतलब क्विक एंड स्किलफुल. ओके, क्विक एंड स्किलफुल. तो his hands should be quick and skillful, that much knowledge it should be. Okay, लेकिन it was not that much good, so he lost his goalie to the old players. So here see, only he is not only playing, so other children are there, no, so they will win, he will lose his game. Okay, and the next, it was not, where it is, it was not long before I moved on to other games. The game I enjoyed the most was Ankh Maicholi. Yes, Ankh Maicholi or blind man's buff. ठीक है, Ankh Maicholi or blind man's buff. मैंने बोला था ना, some Punjabi words and Hindi words he will use in his writings. ठीक है, तो यहाँ यूज़ किया. तो in this game, one player covers their eyes with their hands or with a piece of cloth. The other hide in different places and blind man looks for them. Okay, so can you understand this? See, they are playing here, no? Well, seeing this itself you can understand, seeing the picture. So what happened? So soon, okay, not long before matlab soon itself, not after a long time, soon itself he went to the other games. So what are the other game? First one is this game. See, like that they will tie the eyes and they have to touch the other children. So with the small piece of cloth they will tie, and others they will hide. So he have to search who has hide, where they have hide. He have to go and search them. So this is the game. So very interesting game. The first time I played this game with my older cousin. Okay, with this cousin he have played. I cheated. I pepped through my fingers to see where she had hidden herself. Then I ran here and there, pretending to look for her. Finally, when she nearly showed herself behind the charpoli, I caught her and laughed and shrieked as though I had been looking all over for her. What happens? So first time he played with his cousin. Okay. So that time he cheated. Peeped, here they have peeped given, no? Peeped, nahi, pepped. Nah, peeped. So peeped. So I cheated. I peeped matlab quick. Okay, quickly we will see, no? See, when you hide like this with the finger or with the cloth, you will remove this cloth immediately, and then you will see where it is, where the other children are hidden, and you will close this cloth. That is called peeped. Okay, peeped. Quickly or secretly you will see, no? That is. So here you can underline this word and you can write quickly, secretly. इसीलिए मैंने बोला था some words it will be difficult for you, तो वो वर्ड्स आपको डिक्शनरी में ढूंढना है. यू हैव टू रेफर द डिक्शनरी, यू हैव टू सर्च दैट वर्ड इन डिक्शनरी, अंडरलाइन द वर्ड एंड राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ इट सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, यहाँ पीपड मतलब क्विक और सीक्रेट. ठीक है, तो ही व्हेन ही वाज प्लेइंग विद हिज कजिन ही cheated her. So what did he do? Secretly he saw where that girl is hiding. Okay, then he pretended matlab acted that he is searching for that girl. Then when see here they have given no charpohi matlab मैंने बोला था ना new was a bed. It is a bed with a frame tied with rope. Olden days bed मैंने बोला था ना, not wooden bed, not steel bed, a bed with a frame four side tied with a rope बोला था ना. हाँ, तो when she was seeing through that holes because that bed it is tied with rope only, no, so in that rope holes will be there. When that girl was seeing through the holes, he just acted that now only he searched here and there that girl and he himself have found. Okay, and he acted that he have searched that girl by himself. See, shrieked यहाँ given no, shrieked मतलब high pitch sound of high pitch with the joy or sorrow. यहाँ sorrow नहीं आएगा, sorrow मतलब sadness. तो while playing why sadness, he will be happy only, no? So he will shout in a high pitch, in a high sound that he have found the girl. ठीक है, he shouted like he has found by himself. लेकिन he didn't find, he cheated. Yes, no? He saw that while no, this hands or through fingers. See यहाँ given no, through fingers. So he have seen through the fingers that where she is hiding. ठीक है, तो like that first he played with his cousin and he shouted that he has found that girl, he has won the game. Okay, however as I grow up I found that playing blind man's puff with a large group required more skill. Each one was so clever at hiding that the blind folded one roamed about. Hearing the other shout, but unable to touch anyone. Okay, so here what it is said. So when he grown up now, so he found that game is very difficult to play with the large people. Okay, huge group. See, huge large people nahi, huge group matlab 10 children are there, matlab group. Okay, 10 children are there, to them it is difficult to play. We should have that skill, that knowledge about that game. मैंने बोला था ना, that tricks all we should know, then only we will win. So they acted very cleverly, they will hide very cleverly. And one who's roaming, no, one who's roaming to search, he will roam because his eyes are tied. So these children, they will go and hide anywhere. He will go, he will roam, go and search. So it is very difficult, we can't touch anyone. Okay, sometimes the older boys used the game as a trick on me when they did not want me to play with them. Although I remember crying many times when they did this, I enjoyed this game even when I become older. Okay, so what happens? Sometimes the older boys, no, they will play trick. मैंने बोला था ना, trick use करेंगे. ठीक है, play when they don't want to play with him, no, with the author, so they will use trick in this games. So the author, he will be crying. So many times he have cried when they did not enjoy, when they did this. Okay, what tricks, when they used tricks, no, that time this author have cried many times. But even though, no, he enjoyed when he became older, no, that time also he enjoyed to play this game. Got it? So it is very easy and simple, लेकिन आपको read करना है. Once you read, then only you will understand it. Okay, next comes here, see another game. I had to wait till I was over 10 years old before I learned the skill of spinning a lato or top. This game requires a deft hand and enough pocket money to buy the tops made of made of mud or wood. A string is wrapped around the lower part of the lato. This is toasted to the ground with a hard jerk, and the string is released, causing the lato to spin and spin. Okay, what it is said, whether you have played this game. Where, ma'am? We won't go out itself. So before the lockdown also, we will be sitting in home and playing in mobile, laptops. Yes, no? Yes, it is right. So this is called as lato. Okay, lato. Yeah, so how to play this? See, so till 10 years now he was waiting to play this. So before itself he learned how to play this lato, we will say, or else top we will say this. Okay, so this, to play this, मैंने बोला ना, what is the meaning of deft? Already मैंने बोला the meaning of deft. What it is? Quick and skillful. So to play these games, we should be quick, fast and skillful also. Okay, we should have that knowledge. Yeah, so this is required, that skillful is required, quick is required in this game. So even pocket money is also required to buy this. Yes, so it is made up of mud. मड आपको मालूम है ना, मड. एंड हुड, हुड भी आपको मालूम है. ठीक है, या तो इट इज मेड अप ऑफ मड और हुड. या तो स्ट्रिंग्स, यू नो स्ट्रिंग्स, a rope. ठीक है, strings, you know, rope, they will know that rope, thread, so they will wrapped. यहाँ wrapped given, no, wrapped मतलब they will cover here this lower part, no, they will cover round 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 like that, they will cover, and they will toast it in the ground. Toast it in the ground. Toast मतलब they will know, like this, they will put in the ground, toast it in the ground. So with a hard jerk मतलब क्या है, short and sudden movement. मैंने बोला था short and sudden movement, quickly they will do that. So what happened, that strings, no, that thread, that rope, it will release, and this, it will round like this. Yes or no? Yeah, spins like this. So it will spin 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 spin. Automatically the thread, it will not remove. and then while spinning, no, it will be very good. Yeah, so this he was playing. So see, I remember saving my pocket money to buy my first lattu, but I swung it clumsily and the beautiful earthen top broke. क्या हुआ? Earthen top broke. Afterwards, I practiced with a small wooden one and eventually learned to toast the earthen ones without breaking them. क्या हुआ? So first, no, he spent his pocket money. He saved his pocket money, and he spent the pocket money to buy this top. ठीक है, and he bought. लेकिन when he swung, यहाँ given no, मतलब swing. Past tense of swing is swung. When he swing like that, no, it is in a clumsily manner. यहाँ given no, clumsily, which means careless manner. मैंने बोला ना in new words. So he swing it in a careless manner. So what happened? That earth, though the top layer of the earth, it was broken. So afterwards, now he practiced in a small wooden one, top like this latto. Okay, small wooden latto he bought and he practiced in it. Then he did very well. See, he learned to toast. So he learned to toast without breaking the earth top layer. Okay, so everything, no, by practice only we can learn. Even in this play, so what happened while playing this? He spin in a careless manner. So this earth top also it was broken. Later he practiced. He practiced in a small one, and it was good. He learned how to do. In a big one also he learned how to do. So how did he succeed? With this practice. So that's what I'm saying. So with the practice only you can learn everything. तो आपको ये practice करना है. Reading, book reading, English text book पहले आपको read करना है. ठीक है. तो first you may not have time to read story books, कहानी books को read करने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. आई नो दैट. सो कुछ कोई बात नहीं. यू जस्ट रीड दिस टेक्स्ट बुक आपको रीड करना है. इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक मैंने बोला. ठीक है. तो इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक आपको रीड करना है. वॉच द वीडियोज, यूज द डिक्शनरी सो दैट यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश. ओके, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश. तो कोशिश करना है विदाउट ट्राइंग. नहीं, मुझे नहीं मालूम है, मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब हाउ इट विल कम. एफर्ट डालना है ना, कोशिश करना है ना. तो मैंने कोशिश किया. कैसा कोशिश किया बताओ? कैसा कोशिश किया? विदाउट ट्राइंग हाउ यू विल लर्न इंग्लिश. तो आपको लर्न करना है तो बाई प्रैक्टिस. यहाँ इन्होंने प्रैक्टिस किया ना, ऐसा आपको प्रैक्टिस भी करना है. ठीक. या सो नेक्स्ट मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. Yeah, so the next comes here the kabaddi game. So this is the kabaddi game. Okay, see, lines are drawn here. This is one team and this is one team. See, one man, one boy, he has gone from this team. See his legs, how he escaped, and he have to chat that what kabaddi 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 kabaddi. While saying this he have to move. Okay, see, this now the opposite team, they will be standing like this. They will try to catch him, and if they have catched, he didn't pass this line, matlab he will be out. Or if he has to touch them and he has to run back to his place, he has done like this, matlab he will be one, and whosoever he have touched, they will be out. Okay, this is the game. Very easy game. ईजी नहीं है लेकिन सिंपल नहीं है. बिकॉज दैट टैक्ट इज, you should know how to play. Then chanting that without breathe, we have to control the breath, and we have to chat kabaddi 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 kabaddi. We have to chat and we have to play. So that is not that much easy thing. Okay. Yeah, so when I was 14 years, I was allowed to join the kabaddi team. To play kabaddi, you must be quick and strong. you also need the ability to hold your breath. Breath मैंने बोला था ना, breath, that breathing, that breath for long, and to be master of battle tactics. ओके, तो ट्रिक्स यहाँ तो बैटल का ट्रिक्स, यहाँ बैटल तो ये गेम, ठीक है, गेम का ट्रिक्स आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. सिंस प्लेइंग दिस गेम इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक रियल warfare, no, that battle, war. Okay, yes, it will be like that. मैंने what मीनिंग बोला था ना, अर्थ इन, इसका अर्थ क्या है, द एक्ट ऑफ फाइटिंग इन अ वॉर. ठीक है, फाइटिंग इन अ वॉर, हाउ वी फाइट इन अ वॉर, नो, द सेम थिंग इट विल बी लाइक दैट इन दिस गेम. ठीक है, तो व्हेन ही वाज 14 years, नो, ही जॉइंड द कबड्डी टीम. ठीक है, तो टू प्ले कबड्डी ही शुड बी स्ट्रांग एंड क्विक, एवरीथिंग फटाफट. ठीक है, so you should need the ability to hold the breath, that breath you're breathing, no, that breath you should able to hold, so that you can say kabaddi 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 fully without leaving some space. You have to say that, so you should know that tricks also while playing this. It will be like a real warfare, real battlefield. Okay, the next, yeah, लाइन मैंने बोला ना, पहले मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था ना, वो ये है. ठीक है, सी अ लाइन इज ड्रॉन ऑन सैंड और सॉफ्ट अर्थ. लाइन इज ड्रॉन, टू टीम्स विथ 5 or 10 players or more stand on either side of the line. A member of one team crosses the line chanting kabaddi under his breath without stopping. मैंने बोला था ना, स्टॉप नहीं करना है. If he is able to touch 1 or 2 players from the opposing team while saying kabaddi, the person he touches is dead. The visitor then runs back to his place. मैंने बोला था ना, ये सी यहाँ डेथ गिवन हो, डेथ मतलब आउट. ओके, ही इज आउट. सी, so line will be drawn like this. Line will be drawn, so 2 teams are there, no, one should go from this team. He have to chat without leaving space. He have to chat kabaddi 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 kabaddi. He have to hold his breath also, breath. ठीक है, breath he have to hold, and he have to touch 1 or 2, and he have to run back again to this team, to his own team. He have to run. If he didn't run, मतलब he is out. लेकिन he have ran, मतलब who he have touched, no, they are out. That's why here they have given death, dead given, no, yeah, so dead मतलब out. So that is this game. Understood? So even 5 players can play in each team. 5 can be there, or 10 players can be there, or more than 10 also it is possible. Okay, yes. However, if the visitor is caught or he stops saying kabaddi, मैंने बोला था ना, in continuous you have to say kabaddi, or else if they have caught you, they have caught, क्या है, caught मतलब catch, past tense of catch, caught है. ठीक है, तो the visitor he has caught or he has stopped saying kabaddi, मतलब he is out. Okay, this team, the teams take turn to visit each other until all the members of one team are dead. ठीक है, तो सबको चांस मिलेगा. ओके, everyone's turns will be there until they are getting out. No, they will have their turn, their chance up मिलेगा. I learned how to hold my breath and developed some daring. यहाँ daring given हो. What I have said in daring, new words मैंने बोला था ना, क्या बोला, courage, bravery. Okay, but I could not survive could not survive for too long before being taken as a prisoner of war. ठीक है, yeah, he was strong enough, he had the courage, लेकिन क्या हुआ, for long time he couldn't say kabaddi 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 kabaddi. We have to hold the breath, मैंने बोला था ना, तो for long time he couldn't, so he became out. Okay, the opposite team, they have made him the out. He had made him out. Him मतलब कौन है, किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, कौन, any guess? Author, because author is only writing here, no, yeah, so author is out. Okay, understood? That's it. So the lesson ends here. So this is the lesson. See, like this they were playing. So just go through this lesson. Okay, read the book. First read your textual book, your literature book. Okay, use dictionary. That what I'm saying, and again dictionary use karna hai. Each and every word it is explained, each and every sentence it is explained in Hindi. Matlab you won't learn English, confirm 100% you won't learn English. आपको ज़्यादा इंग्लिश पढ़ना है, ज़्यादा इंग्लिश यूज़ करना है, ज़्यादा इंग्लिश लिसन भी करना है. देन ओनली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश. नहीं मैम हमको इंग्लिश नहीं चाहिए, हमको हिंदी ही चाहिए. फुल एवरीथिंग ट्रांसलेटिंग इन हिंदी. हिंदी 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 मतलब हिंदी वर्ड्स आर ओनली आर लिसनिंग, यू आर लिसनिंग हिंदी वर्ड्स, यू आर रीडिंग हिंदी. तो कैसा इंग्लिश आएगा? इंग्लिश यू कांट नो. तो आपको पहले इंग्लिश रीड करना है, इंग्लिश में बात करना है, ठीक है, इंग्लिश सुनना है. देन ओनली यू कैन इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी यूज़ करना है, ठीक है. देन ओनली यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश. ट्राई दिस फॉर 2-3 months, यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश, यू विल बी वेरी गुड एट इंग्लिश. ठीक या ओके, बाय बाय, थैंक यू, बी सेफ एट होम. ओके.